Jack, we know your screens can be installed almost anywhere in the home.
Yes.
Can you tell us about some of those applications?
Okay, so with this one, we got this system here called barrier-free system. So with a low profile track, it can be fit into any internal area where the floor is flat, there's no tripping hazard. It can be also used in for the garage.
Yes.
If people like to close their garage, but then still being able to drive car in and out of the garage, the low profile allows that.
Great for wheelchair access.
Yeah, wheelchair access, so it's ideal for that. And with this system, you can easily fold it back, and for taking out the cleaning, it's just as easy as pulling this away from, it's just clip on. So basically, 1 second basically remove, and you can then just push it back and take it back.
Now from a sliding point of view, these can be centre mount or left to right.
Yeah, so it can be centered or it can be multi-panel. So you can join one panel, same direction, 3-4 panels. So if you got wide opening sliding door, you can actually join 6.4 or 8 meters, you can join that. And because it's quite small, so it can fit into any area.
And the pleated system really allows it to retract unlike anything else, isn't it?
Yes.
Yeah. If you're looking for a quality screen for your home, pop in and see Reliable Screens here today at the Build and Design Centre.